Throughout her long life, Queen Elizabeth II witnessed numerous historical shifts, but few were as profound as the period surrounding World War II. The Queen's involvement and role during the crisis can be examined as an important chapter that contributed to her revered position later in life. Born in 1926, Elizabeth was just a young girl when war broke out in 1939. However, even at the age of 13, she displayed an early sense of duty that would become characteristic of her monarchy. As the war intensified in 1940, Britain was under constant threat from Nazi Germany, struggling through the dark days of the Blitz. Despite the danger, Elizabeth and her sister Princess Margaret remained at Windsor Castle, reflecting the steadfastness of the royal family during the crisis. In an effort to boost morale among the British people, Elizabeth made her first public broadcast in October 1940. Addressing the children of nation who had been evacuated to the countryside, she delivered a message of hope and resilience over the BBC, symbolising the unity and strength of spirit within Britain. Later, as the war progressed, Elizabeth took on more active roles. In 1945, at the age of 19, she joined the Auxiliary Territorial Service, ATS, marking a significant moment as she became the first female member of the royal family to join the armed forces. Her involvement with the ATS was not merely symbolic. She learned to drive and maintain vehicles, a gesture of solidarity with the citizens of Britain facing hardship due to the war. Elizabeth's role during World War II was twofold. She was at once a symbol of national endurance and a participant in the war effort. Her activities established a legacy of duty and service that would resonate throughout her reign as Queen. As she celebrated victory in Europe in 1945, dancing anonymously amidst the crowds, the future Queen was already modelling the qualities of resilience and unity. Reflecting upon her wartime experience, Elizabeth's understanding of the trials her people faced contributed significantly to her respectful and engaging approach as a monarch. Her personal development during these years laid the foundation for the leadership qualities that defined her long reign until 2022. Her steadfast nature during the war proved pivotal for her role as a symbolic leader in times of national challenge. Her involvement in World War II remains a tribute to the way she crafted her identity through a deep comprehension of duty, a trait that ultimately became the hallmark of Queen Elizabeth II. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more royal history at your fingertips.